Dealing with enemies and haters can be challenging, but it's important to approach the situation with maturity and self-control. If you're unsure why someone dislikes you, calmly ask them for an explanation. If they become hostile or disrespectful, it's best to walk away until they can engage in a civil conversation. While some people may have a change of heart and realize you're not a bad person, others may simply not like you, and it's important not to dwell on this. Ignoring their insults and not reacting to them is key, as they often seek a reaction. If they persist in bothering you, walking away repeatedly can ultimately discourage their behavior. At some point, it may be necessary to mentally detach from the situation and let the universe take care of it, as they have their own issues to work out. Remember that it's impossible to please everyone all the time, so focus on your own strengths and positive qualities. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends who appreciate you for who you are can boost your confidence and help you realize that the opinions of haters shouldn't matter.